Okay, hi guys, this is just a quick video. I'm going to try this here. I've got the mobile phone stand, but I'm going to use it to tie this little bottle onto with paint in it, I hope. I'm going to hang it on it like this. I'm going to hang it like that, and I'm going to swing it and get her spinning around the painting like that with iridescent paints in it. And I want to see what sort of nice designs I get, if anything, and if it works. I'm just using the standard salt cellar, and so it has just those holes in it, so I've diluted the paint extra thin, and I'm hoping it'll drip out as the salt cellar moves. If it doesn't, I'll do something else, but let's see. Should be a bit of fun, right? Okay, so I'm going for the full black background. I think that will make the iridescence pop the most. So I'll just get that done in the first instance. Good. Indeed we are good. Almost good. Actually, I'll just fix it with my finger because I have enough paint on my hand. I have to do the edges anyway, right? Alright, I'm done. Give me a second. Alright, let's take the heat off. Hit this with the heat gun and just take the bubbles. There's not going to be many. I can see a couple, but... Alright, I've got my iridescents mixed. I'm going to go straight into... I want to keep the sticks a little bit separate from each other, so in case I need to dilute them further, but I think I have them correct. So I'm going to start with orange. This is a bit hard to show you. And pour the orange straight in. I'm going to go green. These are all going to dilute a little bit because they're very loose, and that's okay. Pink. And purple. I can reach around all this stuff. Okay. This is a bit interesting now. Hope this works. Put the cap back on. Get the yolk up over the top, and we're good to go. This could be the quickest video I've ever done. Okay. And off we go. So far, it's all the one color. I think that's it. Okay, so yeah, that didn't work quite the way I expected. However, all of the paint has come out of it, which was a success. It may be that I just have to figure out what to do with it now, I guess. Well, I hit it with the hairdryer and see what happens. It really all just melded, didn't it, into one. Anyway, let's see what happens. I'll go this way with the hairdryer on low setting, no heat. I've got is kind of a weird looking red galaxy kind of painting going on at the moment. So what I will do is I'll just add a little bit of my colors, and they are quite loose, like I said. I'm just going to drop them onto it. Whatever's left in these little containers, if there's anything. Okay, what one did I not use? The green. Okay. Let's go again. Holy moly, I really like that. Alright, I really like that. That's beautiful. Well, I have had a happy accident success here, I think. Not entirely an accident. This is part of the experiment, isn't it? But I am not touching it. It's gorgeous. I would happily see that dried, varnished, and on a wall. I think it's cool. I don't need to do anything with that. I'm going to show it to you from my side, because I don't know if it looks as good from your side. Isn't that just stunning? Look at it. It's hard to even describe. The iridescents are so cool to use. I'm probably going to use them a little bit more often. Look at the colours. I can't even, the video that I'm looking at doesn't even show you the vibrancy of the greens and the oranges as well. Anything like I can see them in with my naked eye. But oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. So happy. It's cool. It's so cool.